Good morning, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the first episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2022. It is so cold outside and I'm wearing my onesie, so I figured today would be great to make a nice, warm, cozy breakfast. Also, it is the holiday season and eggnog season, so today I'm going to share with all of y'all some yummy eggnog pancakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. They're bomb.com delicious and full of eggnog goodness. These pancakes would be a great treat to serve on Christmas morning and great for a holiday brunch. Your whole family's going to love and enjoy these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats recipes playlist and my previous video, my mama's potato salad. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your eggnog, and get your griddle heating up sugar, because we're about to cook some eggnog pancakes magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is measure the dry ingredients. I have my self-rising flour. We need 1.5 cups. Going to fluff it up. And level it off. Just like that. Perfect cup. And pour it into my sifter and bowl. Now we need 1/2. Again, fluff it up. And level it off like so. And a perfect 1/2 cup. Alrighty, and into our self-rising flour, we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And sift these together. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of eggnog at room temperature. And into our eggnog, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 large egg at room temperature that I lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure rum extract. And whisk everything together until they're well blended. Alrighty, so now we're ready to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And whisk everything together until they're well combined. Smells good. Love the smell of eggnog and cinnamon, nutmeg, and rum. And be careful, you don't want to overmix pancake batter. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our pancake batter is complete. How simple and easy was that? So now I'm going to set this aside and let it rest. Alright, my friends, I got my griddle nice and hot, or you can use a skillet. So now I'm going to spray it, or you can use butter. So we're going to use my 1/4 cup measurement. Just going to scoop the batter onto the hot griddle, like so. Alrighty, so now we're going to let our pancakes cook until they're golden brown, about 4 minutes. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at the pancakes. Here we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. I have 2 pancakes on. So now there's a couple more things we got to add to them. Some maple syrup. Some whipped cream. And a dusting of ground cinnamon. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Eggnog pancakes. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. It's tender. Oh, I could taste the nutmeg and the rum bursting with flavor. These pancakes definitely screams the holidays. These are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm going to grab me a little whipped cream. Yum-o. Eggnog pancakes, licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.